Inventions, and Technology.
Meet Glow, revolutionary active footwear made with patented cutting-edge fiber optic technology. With full-surface shooting star LED effect, a new category of sneaker that raises the bar and redefines everything you ever thought a sneaker could be. Light up the world at the touch of a button. With 6 breathtaking colors, you have 6 head-turning styles in one sneaker. You can match your mood, your outfit, or even your team colors. Make a statement and look fantastic. Wear them casually every day, or easily fit them into the most active of lifestyles. The flashing mode is perfect for your evening run, or anytime you want extra visibility. The custom-made honeycomb fabric is the first of its kind, with a distinctive style that looks great day or night. It's breathable yet water-resistant, so you never have to worry about being caught out in the rain. The fiber optic reinforced electrical components have been rigorously tested to withstand the highest impacts over prolonged periods of time. With dual-layer memory foam, your insoles adapt to your feet, so you feel like you're floating on a cloud. Seriously, putting one foot in front of the other has never been so comfortable. The 2 sneakers have been designed to be evergreen, so they will never go out of style. Be one of a kind. Be revolutionary. Be unique. Escape from the ordinary. Step into the light.
And we listen to your feedback and suggestions to make them even better. We spent the last year prototyping and wear testing. Prototyping and wear testing again. Today we're happy to introduce the next generation of Parasol with all the original benefits and much more. The Parasol Plus and the Chitin High, both with improved arch support to help you relax, denser micro cushioning to provide better shock absorption, and increased compression to help improve circulation. Our patented technology provides arch support and traction independent of a shoe, so you can walk in supportive, comfortable socks. Parasols are great for wearing around the home, with quick walks outside, lightweight training, stretching, and recovery. Slip-on parasols after working out and after long days of routine to help relieve foot fatigue and discomfort. Now you can have the comfort and freedom of your favorite socks with a supportive insole and the utility of a shoe. Our 3D socks are so lightweight and breathable, you'll forget you're even wearing them, and ultra portable, so you can take them along wherever you need more comfort and freedom. When they do get dirty, simply wipe them off or just throw them into the wash. We all love our socks, but have always